He was a mathematician who had never traded before, yet he built the greatest trading machine in history. This is the story of Jim Simons, the Quant King. Born a mathematician, Simons excelled in academia, even working as a codebreaker during the Cold War. He believed the financial markets, like secret codes, could be cracked. In his 40s, with no background in finance, he left his academic career to start a hedge fund, Renaissance Technologies. While Wall Street relied on news and intuition, Simons built his firm on a radical idea: math. He hired mathematicians and physicists, not traders. They collected mountains of historical data and designed complex algorithms to predict short-term price movements. Their strategy wasn't about making big, risky bets. Instead, they focused on making thousands of trades a day, capturing tiny, consistent profits that compounded over time. Simons realized that if you trade enough, you only need to be right 51% of the time. In 1988, he launched the Medallion Fund. What happened next was unprecedented. For 30 years, the fund achieved an average annual return of 66%, a record no one has ever come close to matching. The fund became so profitable that it was closed to outside investors in 2003, remaining exclusively for Renaissance employees. Simons' success made him a billionaire many times over, with a net worth estimated at over $31 billion. But his legacy extends beyond Wall Street. He became a major philanthropist, establishing the Simons Foundation to support scientific research and funding programs to support math and science education. Jim Simons didn't just beat Wall Street, he rewrote the rules. He proved that in the world of trading, data could triumph over human emotion, leaving a legacy that transformed finance forever.